Okay, I've got a cheapy knife for you this time. A cheapy rusty knife, I guess. It says Kamp-King on it. Let's see if it'll... Yeah, there we go. Kamp-King. K-A-M-P. Oh, Shuga Duga. Shuga Duga, I don't know what that means. This is very... Okay. Why? I think it's a wire stripper, but I'm honestly not sure, and I don't really care to find out. So, okay, here's the big blade. Big blade. Actually, there's only one blade on this, so. Oh boy. I think I'm going to need to use this again. Swiss Army knife to the rescue. Yep, okay. So, no, I might as well, let me close this. I might as well get both open right now. That was dumb. Okay, so we've got can opener on one side, bottle opener on the other side. Oh, and flathead screwdriver. And I guess that's it for this one. I really, quite rusty though. I really need to clean this one actually. Alright, so that's it for the Kamp-King. Oh, and, you know, keychain or belt buckle thingy if you want. See you next time.